welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to add a website in Pinterest. So for that, open the Pinterest application and then get logged in into the account. Now that you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom, tap that. Once you're at the profile page, you need to tap on the dotted lines on the top right corner, tap on it. This will give you the option over here, and on this option you need to tap on settings. Once you're at the setting page, you need to tap on public profile. You tap that, it will direct you to this page over here, and on this page, if you look carefully, you will see the website at the very end. You tap that. Now here you will be able to link it to the website, your website. Type in the website link. You can copy paste the link as well, or you can just type in your website link over here. So I'm just gonna go and copy my YouTube link. Tap open YouTube, search for the YouTube channel. There's the channel. Now you need to copy this link over here, and from there you copy this link of your YouTube channel, copy link, and now you can go back to the Pinterest account of yours, and there on the website you can paste the link, and then you need to save these changes. Tap on done on the top right. This will make the changes in your profile. Now if you go back and check your profile, you can see the link over here. If you click that, you will be directed to the YouTube channel. There you can see the YouTube channel of yours. So this is how you can add link to the Pinterest. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.